welcome to lesson 2 of digital learning or remote learning. Today you're going to do a little bit of a review to get you back into the science mood. And with this activity you are going to do a Nearpod lesson, okay? And in this Nearpod lesson it's going to take you through the entire unit. You will click on the link on the next page and it will take you to this Nearpod. Alright, we've done Nearpods before, but it's been a little while since you had school, so I'll walk you through it. Whenever you get into the Nearpod, you will go ahead and Unit 1 was experimental design. So on the next page, it asks you to circle the part of the graph that most people forget. All right, whenever you circle it, make sure you hit the submit button. That'll show up in the bottom of the screen. Otherwise, it won't be sent to me. All right, you'll keep going through, and you're going to stop at the points where it says to take a quiz check. Then we'll move on to Unit 2, which is physics, and ask you where the most potential energy is. Again, circle and move on to the next. Now, your question is probably, is it going to be graded? And it is going to be graded. So try your best. This is the concepts that you should know. You'll never know if it's going to be completion or based on accuracy. So I'll just let you know, just try your best, okay? If you have questions, feel free to see me at 1 o'clock in my live stream, my Zoom live stream. Remember, every day between 1 and 2 o'clock, you can come to my class. Mondays, I will always teach live the first lesson of the week. Tuesdays, I'll teach live the second lesson of the week from 1 to 1:30. And then Wednesday, I will teach live the third lesson of the week, okay? All right, see you. Have a great day. Good luck in the lesson. Good luck in the Nearpod. Hopefully, you remember a lot.